Hey everyone, it's Anna here. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a fully custom blog post template using WpResidence Studio System and Elementor free. Whether you're looking to redesign your blog layout, highlight specific content, or match your brand style, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. You will learn how to create a template, how to edit it, and how to assign it to your blog posts. First, make sure that the WpResidence Studio plugin version 5.2.0 is installed and active. You can install it from the Install Plugins notice or from WpResidence Site Settings plugins. Once it's active, you'll see a new menu called WpResidence Studio Template. From here, you can create custom templates for specific parts of your site, including the header, footer, property pages, and more. WpResidence already includes a built-in design for single blog posts, and they are automatically assigned to all your blogs. But if you want to fully control the layout, typography, featured image, and so on, you can use the Elementor template. To create a new template, go to WpResidence Studio and click Add New. Give your template a clear name, like blog template. Then under templates type, you select single post. Set Elementor full width to yes if you want to manage spacing and layout from Elementor. Publish a template and click Edit with Elementor to begin designing. From here, you can start from scratch. You can create your blog post using the available widgets under the WpResidence post page widget section. You can add details like post title, featured image, post meta info, author date, category, post content, share social buttons, related post, and so on. You can arrange this in any layout you want. You can use a single column, split layout. You can add different color spacing, all with Elementor controls. To help you get started, I'll show you an example I created using this exact method. This example includes the featured image, description, sharing options, next and previous. You also control the related blog posts, and you can add any extra information you wish to this template. When you're happy with your design, you can go to Theme Options, you can edit the template, and you can select where you wish to show the template. You can choose all blog posts and it will appear by default to all blog posts you write, or you can select specific categories or tags from those you have created. And edit. With just a few steps, you can completely customize your blog post layout while keeping everything responsive, clean, and on brand. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.